Hi and welcome to another video. This is Eleni, and today you will follow my process of covering up a page that I don't like. Sometimes when I'm sad or angry and I'm sitting in front of my journal, I tend to draw pages like this one. It helps me process my feelings. But I don't want these pages to remain in my journals. I want to cover them up, creating something positive over them. And that is what I will do today, using mostly water-soluble crayons that are very soft and colorful and really fun to play with, either you use water or not. Hope you enjoy my process, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. Now, if this video is too fast for you, you can easily slow it down with only 3 clicks. Find out how to do that in the description box. If you appreciate my videos and want to support my channel, there are some easy ways to do that. You can like and comment under them, maybe even share them, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.